airport residential ho
enu am du ho
ewia
batwan
okay but my amane udru ho na etisen
yo me ko du ho no na a story building apartment almost in na mama ya say 23 story na part of the building na almost share a whole concrete no almost in ade ahihye ho no abra won the tipper trucks ebesisi enimu ha mo amixi concrete ni bibia machine etwe ede kosro ho abra egu na de ne so ne iron rod ana part of the building bebi omo ye edi good me no ka say ejuri edi gu a work the wall eda so etiti wa omo nye ejuma abra no ekodu ho na omo tititi wa dwumadie bia enkoso ewo ho.
If video of the Sunday ya sisi o say o join me on Facebook obehu say video no send ya dan no etie ne fa edwiri obehwe e Facebook but Prince Chamfoni no dan ne side be potin and as obi ho no ma bia won join ya on Facebook edwiri gui Prince
yo say me Chamfoni ne e de atrewa dan no de kire wonim de front elevation so wugina nima wonsa enifa no eho ana no almost static concrete na nka almost sha de aba unsa bekum enti unsa ni fa ne so no bebi a me fan se chance no abo a unsa ni fa ne so de de ko anafo ansu ni to a eso ne ma otimi se bi no corner side no eho ana edwi edigu ye no na omo me yeti ase se na nipa miensa eye bibi form ye no ni broni ba ko na bra omo ye djuma no edwi edigu ho a omo no omo pra ya ye de omo ko aya sabia ba omo ntimi anche aya sabia ko ye omo eko.
Okay, issues are resident omo raise amongst other things permits Turkish company say what was the basis adan and say wonni udru ho no wo do asototo FM wo no man 42 komo say ho no e say Prince.
Okay, the last year and roads and highways minister Kwesi Amwako ata ekota baby a woni sisa adan e ma okochiche workers e wo ho say e ho na omo ye dwumadie no omo ni permit no omo de ye eno nsusu bi no ma san be edan no omo si no ma to wall bi ata wall no onse uti dan ya ye to wall a ye de protect ni mi se ne ona ma bonte hu ta wall no omo to di si kwan ni enti no oswafo no bi se omo se die enti no omo ye sa de no opese sa wall no omo dwini ni na egu enti enima na odi bulldozer e baaye no omo sha se omo dwi zingli ni bia na omo bo any concrete ni wo kwan ni na no sha omo se omo stop adwuma ni se adwuma na omo ye no se even kura no nipa ko a oye se adwuma no e yo mampeni ni nia oye ni relative o se din o ompeni ma adwuma ni nkoso etina minister ni ni abrepa ma workers na wo no aposifo ni soldiers ni omo kon eswom e de omo gu ka mu se adwumadie ni ma nkoso na association international school e wo ho no eso tro koma oswafo e se adwumadie e koso ho no omo mpe esan se sukun kwadan esua de wo ho a obeti se eyi apartment yo musi ebuo na omo pai ubon se dynamite na omo de pai o na eho no e wo so eteba ni sa student ni suro se bi betimesi powder omo pai na epetipeti ba ho enti no school owner actually command minister ni se onhwe no ni hujuma minister ni ka chen so no kra onya wo kra se omo de saka tai ba wa ba ho dia obetu wana mo because omo wewe mo se sanko for ni permit na eno achire no school owner no omo de asem ne court ema school owner ne court no omo yeti asese court no edima company na omo AC apartment ni so omo betimi akoso no omo sita apartment no enti after that time na omo court ni wie ya company no ewi ni ye no ana omo share na underground that time na floor level no na start me no ka say the almost free and again na ma epile ama do a say story building no start here we say a war and that is the issue a war surroundings and around almost 2 years.
Okay, na chese residents are honey they went to me bia antwetwe enkomo eno a oduru ho no
ye ni bi twetwe enkomo na omo kire say sa asemi se ne ekodi oswafo no ampenifo bem no mo expect say dwumadi e koso ho no nke betimi stop it because omo hwe stop de ne se ne tie na nu a part collapse a Malcolm de buy na de se ko ba ne se beto so a tintin na da chi bi ekodwiri gudi a e de ohana amane ne bebre amanfo ho nanso so omo beka bi enkodu bebia because omo hwe se dwumadi ni kwa na e koso omo gususi so do de.
Well, just say on show Facebook Abronsai no and the Sihono. Abronsai no and the Sihono. Who say Adwuma no e kosopa from this shot. Who say Abronsai no and the Sihoa. And ne fa hanom no na adwiri a wo iron rods ni nyina no epiepie esense ho. Enti join me on Facebook Abronsai no and Sihono. Well, Prince, ebinum ya say nipa binum preprai.
Nipa miensa.
Nipa miensa le preprai.
Na workers na wo hono na mo mpese o meka no kura na kire. Na omo ka se enya miensa eyemo. Tete omo nya stable by security man dia. Owo hospital dia wo opposite the building na kire. Ono de na ogina on to de ni hu se bro ni baako. Ene e bibi form enu na omo hye concrete no. Ana de ni dwirigu ye ntini sa miensa no. Ana hu so mo prepare de omo kwa ya sabia nti omo na so far no. Omo timi ka kire se miensa.
Well, it's video no eda Facebook no. Just say Abronsai no ma share free underground. Ena wo masia ama na pie. Wo mu see stories do saying 22 story. Prince.
How much say 23?
23 story.
Aye.
Prince, Mama no say. Mama no say friends here. Me da say Prince owusu ase do enra we call site ho. It is o come on Facebook Abronsai no esi ho a who say Ghana. Well, when say good morning. So do we have laws in Ghana? I think anybody can do whatever they want in Ghana. Ebenezer Nati and they no ato face book. Hey for Tete or say Ghana, God help us. Kafui komla or say asemo kafui asem papa asem papa. Well, we say CJ, good morning. I think the construction company should be brought to book. And also so Nedia or de atoho enono. Ma mene Hana entwetwen komo. Na Hana enra de akoso kanya na adwuma no ekoso a amunum ha dan no adwiri gu ye nyina no. Wano na nanisam, wano hunu ne ekoso nyina. Hana tesan.
Asonya mi adomo.
Eno na ofri hin na wo kɔ hin ana wo ye adwuma mpotam ho a.
Mpacho me use na area mo ha. Just opposite the building.
Etina wo office.
Pachai, na me office, na me first floor.
Now first floor.
Yeah, so I saw everything that happened.
Abema potting NC.
It's okay. I think around 10 o'clock.
10.
Yeah, around 10, 9:30 to 10 there.
And then talk to me. Everyone is saying.
So and now me I started working. So in the course of the working, they say a very loud sound. So I came out to look at what is happening. And I'm even saying, building almost, there's a third floor. No. Now after now, I'm going next time. After now, I'm going to now 3 days ago, I'm going to lay iron rod. So and now I'm going to concrete. It's me I said, bra. I didn't know. Then I saw the men that are working on it. They started falling, and now Indiana I'm just supporting iron rods. Yeah. So all of them started falling, and then the whole structure fell on them. Part of the floor, it fell on them. Yeah.
Nita do what say now? Okay.
Oh, it's for bear 7.
Bear 7.
That particular side, you know. For bear 7. Now most of them I didn't save one. So they even found it difficult to stand. Other people have to come in to help them stand.
Wow.
Yeah.
From what office building no me hu say hu adwuma ekoso eho nyina.
Yeah.
Day to day construction of the building in hu no.
Yes. Yeah.
Man raise concern about that building no. Any kwanya one more faso adwuma. I don't know say we are aware Hannah.
Yeah, since last year.
Since last year.
From the very beginning, we raised concern, and especially there's a school be around, Association International School. See you only or the move for cause, but to no avail because we were so sad they are going to still put up about 28 floors. And by December, they should be done with the building. And the kind of building they are building and the area, it's not good for the people around. So everybody is against them. But you know, in Ghana, if you have money, you can do anything. So to no avail, they came to stop the work for I think about 2 weeks. All of a sudden we saw that. So all of us we thought, they won't even continue again because police and military men came over to stop them.
You were around when the Minister of Roads.
Yes, I was there. I was there when they came. So I saw everything that happened. So even for I think about 3 days. Police and military men come there, make sure that they are not working. Because when they started, they blocked the road. So even people that are coming from their house going to work, it's difficult for them. So everybody was against them. But all of a sudden, we saw that they started. So even we were happy when the minister came. We thought that, since the minister has come, it won't work. It won't work. They will stop this work. But all of a sudden, we saw that they started building. So we don't know what to do. Ghana, if you have money, you can do everything you want. So that was happening yesterday. So somewhere unconscious, they have to take them to the hospital.
I understand. Say the call Nyaho.
Yeah, Nyaho. Now I come with the buy a whole bar. We don't admit.
Oh, okay. And to a health facility.
Yeah, health facility.
I see.
Yeah. And some of the doctor's name, Mama, Yamoko Naho. Yeah.
Anna, thank you very much for speaking with us. Why?
Welcome.
And eyewitness, Anna Meneno, Acheche and Komono. Don Papa and Nim Kodie or Ghana laws deal with people whose voice cannot be heard. If you live in a country where members of parliament are out of order, this is what happens. Don Papa and Nim Kodie Edia or de Amaye and no so Kumate Doris or say this is this disaster and hazardous. No so the no no. Okay.
Oh, CJ.
Marche.
Blah, me just Blah.
Okay, you also say.
Blah, blah, say. How?
My question akwaba.
How?
Was he?
Yeah, as in the account.
Account so. Boko.
Namiti asisi.
Good na
We see a session no. On a COVID in Nsem. I didn't know who owns the no. We asked, say, in Tokrona Dancha, see, Odi and Tokrona da Hokanto. As a body and I was through.
But Miss Album, who's here? Last year, Emma Uramba, Onabama Quanta, or call site to her. I remember your course, Hono. That's him. We are Miss Anoma Quabe, you not young church and Como.
Be arrested immediately. The contractor, all those working here must be arrested immediately.
It doesn't make sense.
Look at this. Look at this. And you destroy the road.
Without the consent of the road committee.
You destroy the road, the public road. In which country can this be allowed? In which country can this be allowed? In your own country, can anybody do this? It's madness. It's madness. The owner of this property is not bigger than this country. The owner of this property is not bigger than this country. Even the president of the republic, with all the executive powers in his hands, can't do this and won't do this. What kind of indiscipline is this? And we sit in this country and allow this nonsense to go on. With impudence, you enter into the road corridor, creating inconveniences to all those who use this stretch of the road. You have destroyed the road, and you think you have the power to do that? You should be arrested and prosecuted. It's national security here. This man must be picked. Please pick him. Pick him and arrest him. Put him in the car. This nonsense will not be allowed in our country. Foreigners come into our country and engage in all kinds of things. You destroy public road, public property. Because of this property, can you do this in your own country? Arrest him. And national security should stop the construction. And anybody engaged in it, please arrest all of them. Arrest all of them.
All of you come. Come.
Everybody should come.
Everybody should come.
Arrest all of them.
Stop whatever you're doing and come. Hey, everybody should come. Stop whatever you're doing and come. Hurry up.
Can this be done in your own country?
Hey,
Can you do this in your own country?
Come on, come and line up. Hurry up.
Hurry up. We are more sensible than those in your country. Can you do this in your own country? With impudence, you break to the road.
Line up. Line up.
Everybody here.
Let's see it.
Road traffic on this road.
Three. Hurry up. Arrange three. No, that.
Are you better than anything? Please arrest all of them. Arrest all of them.
Come and sit down. Sit comfortably.
Timothy.
Hey. If you don't let them hide and get you, you'll be sorry.
Raise down the hoarding and provide. Raise down the hoarding.
Hey, come.
Raise it down.
Mr. Cameraman, relax.
Because of this property, you destroy public road building, which has entered into the road reservation. I will put it down.
Minister, do you have any idea which
I will put it down.
they're putting down?
I don't know. Being perpetrated by a foreigner. Outside, we have highly respected, highly law-abiding foreigners in Ghana. There's no problem. But Ghanaians who stay outside the country, outside this country, are supposed to be abiding law-abiding. They are supposed to be law-abiding. They are supposed to keep the laws of those officials at various sectors. We should be careful, and we should carry our national pride. It's painful that some officials allow, I don't know what it is. Is it the most important thing in this world? So if they have any permit, and I am told they don't have any permit, it's yet to be investigated. That's why I have ordered for their any official who might have compromised his or her position. That person will also be. So
na ebla wo kɔ no na ɛdan ɛyɛ underground me kan bɛyɛ 1 2 3 floors ana enyi ni ti kura ɛna na yegu so no ento kɔ ho wie kɔ bom asempa ne obi ni ho
one owusu kasa o kan sembi obi sa no efa se ne ekosi o sa court nyina
yes
asem na court ama ruling aba ama ye ruling in favor of ne ekopie mu ne se ne edikan omu ni permit ne etusumienu watra ne hye abesi dan no ewo kwan mu akomako 23 ena nifa kro wo si o
ile di ni kwan so kra me ne kasa kra no kwan about 28
na so obi akra anim wo jama wo si babru mu de ne ye no wasimienu na obi anim ade kra nifa ne ye enti hwan na supervise hwan na ehwe se anwea wodi si dan no brosho ye odi sie abron be hye dan na se ne chese nifa wo si dan no oye discipline nifa kra property ni ye ne no onimra so enti si akokọ tupo ama court na rule ye de camera SD minister chi ama minister kan brofo akese wutie minister asem okay enyina na camera si ni so ye wo kan ye wo nyina you can do this in aka ni nyina na siam ye hu se edan no ebia se no permit ebia wo sha ase no wanimra so na emom ye ni be kono ho ni ahwe se oye ne se ne fata ana miso ye dwen o man ne ho kane ya ko se school dan school wo honum school aye kanye school keto o
enye na school
ono nyen school ana enye school keto aso ana bo sha asase no kura ni van DC dan no asesha no matter sika wode ato no matter ni fa krokese ye se na minister ne kan ye no sa ban ka se dan we yenya asi a ye betumi agya asi aban wo tumi so betumi aka se wato asase ne de ba ye hwe ba bia wu si no akire nsunsanso na moaye eti yenya asi
ekwa butaya minister de ko ho enye kwan na mo fa so si dan no na mbom kwan no ba na aba construction no ye no na aba kwan so hu
sije na make us from the initial way na chance ni fa kro no oye discipline
so he can do inconvenience to road users
obi a foreigner wo be si dan one chance as be si dan no na tumi di ni tumi agi kwam lorry kwam wo na wodi empampi maji ho nyina no e wo so tim se sa nipa we ya me ani anko ne ho ane obeye na nye eti si yi ye ni twi ye ni se ye hwe nipa no nya ne opa si ye ebetumi de hawaba ani amani bi wonu mo a ye no ye jeja ya ayekon aye no from Melcom ne si ye na say cantonment de enu so ebi si wo honomo ne si wo kom krom honomu ne na no nadmofo kogu wo so fidie ya hefa batabi de no ye nya obi otumi sore kase oman no mesi state no mesi unipa kro no nipa kro ye na dwuma no eba ne akeka ye microphone ni si anim ne akeka bia ne otenchezu no obi aka ne ye wi ahwetewete sam eti de bia si je ekoso ade we ye kire sen na we BBC esi enka se ede na emom ne me pebo ade we hu ne se ye se abrofo no a wo mu ade yom de jama ba akoso ka hu ntie ye yenko ye
Quasi
sige
ame maka
asemna na ebiwa yakana but me fafi baby mienu. Number 1, no cresse Rose Minister Echo at the time alcohol no nya information no checks ben or answer na alcohol. And now he just went there, say me a minister, into me quack stop the construction of the building. What's here the ABY Kaya a court me a ruling in favor of
the contractor,
the developer. Oh yes, I no. And the checks ben are number 1, Rose Minister, when him say me this how the way call arrest them, handcuff them, at the end of the day, the state and to me I Number 2, Rose Minister Ekoye no Kasembi said developer ne develop abakwemu and he's the Rose Minister.
Yes.
And in Sembe in the court really a developer no ababe develop it. Because what me to two kwemu si dan and no from so. And ya dia obiaka so to tuka kwa any asenka joy family buildings and crofwe si wahano. But the point is what to tuka kwa into your court on the issue ben on the court. Granted say be our permit say was so develop it the oil and according to story they say more. Also develop the oil now even a hokra no musi more no even deed is a more mentiasie. Even know the area very well. Already traffic the way at you near see more well. That's another issue I better tackle. And he said developer no our permit say was so see dying. No you really no in his favor. Quite now or to say no or they can't we developing. What about that? And here no Rose Minister to me and Yahoshi. With all the bravado and the show of powers.
Okay, but this Facebook comment, and so maybe I would have. The minister has done his part. He was concerned about the road. So if they have moved from the road, then he has effectively done his work. Ubi commenter or the Romeo Ofori commenter or the Abanono.
The minister has done his work if they have moved from the road. In the first place, road, omu tutu ya naso went to two. The fact is, so to two road to cry and from so. And Tinadia so CJ, yes, sir. Oh, developers, Charlie, Obia bet to me, Ako tutu, ka kwanyaka, assassin who send me develop here. Look, and a Rose Minister Kayano. Yes, the developer, well, the both Yaman or baby. I don't want to mention the country. But elsewhere, won't to mean Conco to car pine fan cars here the amount in the name of development. Intina mi bisa, or more court a banner saying, ruling bene baya, road in it, and encounter your cotuaso. Now, Association International Area, me fa hopa, me kofia wana mefa. Now, CJ, the construction itself, okoshe, me engineer, but so they fancy. I'm sure no man rock up, fancy. Everywhere I'm fancy. But
young fancy ho. Kwasi, young fancy ho.
Yeah, young fancy.
Enra. Okay, I offer. Kwakwa jima menu.
Yeah.
Upie mu veti. Ena wane honorable Kandapa so ono so okupie mu. Enra me seda jibre. Titi mu a.
CJ utina ho. Ajima menu de na how many hours? me before cry me beti nsem omo kan no kwasi say yes COVID.
Yeah, COVID.
Na yama time sa sorry cry okwa muru
don't show me no.
Na mo kotena ase. The nipa ba kote ho more than 4 hours not in a name.
Yeah,
mu were close area ho no mu bi o. Enye virtual vet na mo ye o. Nipa te ho. Ajuma menu yiri tinachi. Omo atete nche ho te ho. Mu akora mu chese. Ohun. MVC na nkasa no ohun. COVID no nti omu siro de. Ana asam na ye kana toda omo mame da ote se na ye no kore. Ohun omo ma ye hu ade omo ye ne na ye nsua bibi mfiri. Wo de nipa ne tena ho no hwede nan no hwede num no. Ye se aduro beje wo atrema.
Okay.
Ana so wo monitor questions no.
Ene se nipa fufuro.
Ana wo monitor questions.
Ene se obi a o me pie vetting ho no.
Na omu repeat questions no. Hwe obi timi bisa asem. Many asempa nyina e wo committee ne say bia me maboa me ufifie say me ko bisa CJ say de enti no onimonyamfo amakwata okoye na wanhwa asem na nsi na bibi fofra asasi ne wo mitim na me ba ya na mte say kwasi abisa isn't necessary say because say me matchro ntia what say bisa
no be who say bisa question
nifa no my aggressive say nifa no ye be squeeze omo and omo ba is good say ye betumi emu say nifa no a wo ba sa position we no or ye capable obetumi aye adwuma no ba say asa ye pese ye de ne tena ho ye ntwi ni mu ye nko mi hu anu ye o sabri nya bra ya wafena we bisa question na we shall repeat the same question ni etwe ho kreyin kesa awade nu
ekwe anka we ni padada wa akunya no wote so e na wo pa mfie nan e de aka ho adwuma ne de ma ho o ka so be ye we that last time I be train him how ka so be ye we baby de mu de ahin no watimi aye de ahin no wantimi anye aden nti no wantimi anye we na kata Anya CV biography name school
no wom se ba vet na CJ eno no ka ho CV no wo se ekọ maybe o munti bibia se
the same CV no 4 years ago me de be kire mo no
eno de emfa ho we no say obi onum kro you new on the committee members ni bi ho no mo e bia the previous one no ni ho no mo eti onti bibia se a otumi bisa ba mimi hu ne se ansa na omo beba abetena ase aye adwuma ne CJ nanka wo se omutumi hia meetings ahoro omo ye no ka so man omo ye awe se ebia questions ne ye kwa wo chance be bisa one obi ebisa mi ebisa yenko ni se because of time ba ne mi hu no nra ne de akakakra.
Well, said the ABY kind of Mammy Fenfi who was the chairman of the committee. Obetimi a disallow question be will be sand. I think say chairman on share say repetition of questions there bar. Now what me a question where you be sad that but CJ the be me say COVID a betray BB and COVID a betray say the use of technology is the way to go now. And see said the ABY and can maintain here say it was say chinchina ye be on say Africa ye pe human contact dodo I just say me hu CJ nim fili me hu say okay CJ ni oti say na metumi aton sama ma no. Look, I recall some time ago, that was 2012 or so. Minya akwenya participate in some interview be. It was video conferencing. Ghana video conferencing. And no more nipa be 10. At the time COVID in ho. They were scattered. No mo bisa me question. Now a whole parliament as an institution into COVID the prayer mashati parliament down. We have 26 members on the appointment committee. 13 here, 13 there. And no moti one na me check social distancing. Even though biashe max. Obesha honorable kind about the point. Obe answer question to me, ye max no eba form man anu nyina tete ho. Ansa no we pia kosoro akasa. I was asking myself, why? Aden ye hu say. Intino yentumi some video conference be a big hall. Na Nipano on the screen said Roger Metal Nunu testify to Supreme Court. It's here to me Bibisa and just ask minister designate questions. Abra parliamentarians were hooky from Obia one baby hooky near a virtual interview of a minister designate. Was he? I just see a big cabum. I just say Yanina Besia. The minister Nimaka say woo metro country bakwa. One of this technology Africa here on the Jumapaya Rwanda. Oh, Rwanda, some members of Kanye Council. Hey, Rwanda. No, ready say, need technology, you need Navia situation. COVID, technology is the order of the day. Big companies. Supermarkets akesia ye women on no say obi ankom online eti obi ye no online say shop no what the one more ye some warehouse bi an niam agu wo ma order na na de ba ye de ne say ye pedada mu ade no eti company franchise ye say na nka ye hia ye school so bibia o nanka yeshia ba so he ba e kona penifo na di anim kwara nya o magye so mu shi na oni honorable Kennedy Japan kasa o burning issues o kasa o si o tua $24,000 for the for school beboa but o ye virtual because also o can be say na yere say na kwala ni nkosko o can be say kwala ni nkosko no ka che hey o mo kwate ba eye ye mpanifo no ni ebenya
o mo benya o mo
understand Pennyphone ye bena.
Pennyphone ye
But yet there be beer. I was say, Ebiwa will fear way. Okay, me baho chebe. Sometime. I just say me who Ebiwa nim and sana. But me come and say, what is this?
Yeah. The
world is changing. We are saying, sir. And if you are saying, son, near the and your man to now come and make sure say we are catching up with the world. Sir. Technology, yeah, baby. Look,
my cravat no moon for being 5 hours, 6 hours, and Nura and a jube 8 9 na Nakanda.
Oh, that's what you are. That's what you are.
Yes, chairman of the committee on setting rules on Modebe Jumano. Now, you will be on Mofa because near or Mammy Hunede. Look, your reporters and a Korean Momo.
Everywhere said your man Penyakan or see not more than 2 hours.
I know almost they've been come.
Oh, a big come say. On my penny directive, dear, they casa and combia. And on my penny casa. And see, I was almost setting that in they say. Young come more than 2 hours. Yet Nasia. See, you come more than 2 hours. I mean, say, after every 2 hours, Biano, you best sorry I could break for 30 minutes. Near back about 2 hours. So we'll not sit down continuously more than 2 hours.
Yeah.
That is it. And what's Nasi 2 hours? 2 hours, no swear. Chairman of the committee, please. We have to go on break. You break it 30 minutes. You sign Betanasia and you 2 hours. 6 hours, 4 hours. Why? Why?
Nifaba put na Nima Yobusa or Brasso Papa, so I Edman Ubeti.
And no, no book on the bottom of now. Oh, a radius. I'm saying, Bocacra.
And no more Moko Yenin in Accra, no money of fee. 80 minim CJ. What I'm come down one cat.
So what chance? And honorable Quadram, vaccines no can once
100 million.
Or say 335,000 or Mudika.
Yeah.
What quantity of COVID vaccines should we be expecting in Ghana and from which countries? I'm expecting some limited amount of about 355,000 by March to cover a population of how many Ghanaians? We've got a population of an estimated 20 million Ghanaians. That is our estimate.
Times 2 shots gives you what quantity?
40 million. And we are making arrangements to cover the entire 40 million within some period of time.
Which particular medication are we looking at? Is it the one coming from the US or from South Africa or from Europe?
The medication is coming from Europe now, AstraZeneca. The Pfizer one, we don't have the cold chain infrastructure to bring in because of the ultra-zero temperatures that we should store the commodity in. So we are zooming on AstraZeneca. But the good news is that we are getting support from COVAX, the Gavi arm, and then the AU has actually set up the African Medicine Supply Platform. Honorable colleagues, the difficulty with securing the products now is the fact that Gavi, for example, using COVAX facility, seem to have paid for almost everything that is being produced by all the manufacturers.
Honorable Health Minister designate and what's in the community? Here, 2 shots vaccine. 2 shots.
Come on. And you saw now, man.
Yametiasi.
And no response.
Okay.
See,
Yametiasi.
You do why, Betray. Now, Yasimuni chocolate. It is. Yes, you dear, yeah, Juma when you fed you. A member do now, mano. Yes, it's a unum, cocoa, no, CJ. You're free. Free near me womb and near me womb CPC4 and they say my mobile de who said this week Valentine or dono busumi na your womb
Valentine
I think also Sunday
on man I'm back
I mean who say ye bia ye divia na nsa no madim birthday ti Valentine when come home.
Oh okay.
CJ
birthday near
nyame adoma ukuada piso shepe kokuru chenchirenchi
ewurade
CJ enyom na aboye no ajo ampofo ohu ana odi saying ni din ne yeden
Abram Ponsa
ukuada ya boma mwate
mama ukuada
ni beat no tintin beating name.
For headphone.
And I was a woman so our voice.
For headphone.
That woman our voice. Nyame Adom a. Chese.
Boko.
On the actual
Boko.
Na CJ data bank for sale. Omo yi omo ho afira Japadi num na Japadi no exist. Lovely.
And I told you.
I told you. Na minim ni eti ese omo say ade animu. Ya say emperifo atwe break. Eti omo say sa ombesa ade ababie mu a. Say Japadi no. Ebesan ye san ko awofoforo bia beba wo mo nka mo. Data bank for say omo say ame won eti oru akwadwa da mensa si oyi owo data bank en wo de atudwa say wo we da kurase maka eso menwie data bank for wo mo mpesa mo do wo mo ho be fofo ade bia say amanfo nyintumtwema mentwe wo mu eti omo yi omo ho afira Japadi no emu eti unya daily graphica ewum onmonyafo kwakwa adwuma manu asem ne de ene eva sense no ho asem no waka dudu a wose mpanimfo edeba na wose yebedura nyafe na menye na menyi bia wose mpanimfo hwehwemu a wose omo ye bia no oma ye bibia nti se bedu Ghana na chese eyadepa ene wodeba obia nsom Ghana fonye na chese eniema enkoyem na woso ye emma ne afirimu aba imanu adudwamra misadu wo ho ye de adudwamra chiro firi sunyane Bono East na Bono East no dia asem ni firi sunyane na chese Bono region na imanu adudwamra say wani public health director baako yo wo sunyane Dr. Paulina Clara Apia atwetwe nkoma ma oba ne say na ma abanyina wuni madwuma omoye sani etete no CJ ye maame mu no omutwi kontomire enkate kakra no wode atwim na chese se momone kakra obonde kakra na no so wode atwim eti akwada se ye bayira na kontomire no wode afo ne se eti akwada ni di a woni se eso omoko no wadi no wanya protein no
otutwi
won CJ womoko enne ye se mata no aba ni madwuma omoye ya tete aduane bi agu konkom di firi do ho na aba say aduane no omisi o we de food supplement o de makora na ya se ne kala no ye se buroni eti ntuomo aduane eti se obetwi kontomire se kwansusa enuane
e mpotompoto obefufuto ade ama abofra no
ya se ebi kura ko to the extent say wo mo kotonuru bi man kwada ne nom say won skin be ye fe nkwada ne be ye se buroni obeye toburom eno na maame ndi atudwa say akwala ya akwala ahmodin ye wa akwala enum no nuro ni enuane ni bi wo hono mo a wo de ma akwala na wo ha no na nse nkwala no behu ebi wo hono ma behu no akwala nso kura ye ebilichi no akwada na so ntire ma se enwi bi asa honum tum na nim ko akwada so ye ebilichi no ye se mu ku nkwada no mo ma nkwala ni nyini no won take wo decision so ofese oblichi a wo mlichi ni ofese wo ye ne hono wonye eti unya daily graphic ane asamu edeba ko egwomwo e mata akwadwofo amabe mo charge ene da honom no da ubon krata daily graphic no yenko di Ghanaian Times so emu na Ghanaian Times say enne akube kiraka enne fie wura ntu akramo betu enne na say go into the box no say maami be ko box no mu ana say no why
no so they are not why
oh because of the law because of the because of the constitutional adjuma sabro for mo dey aban no yes maami say debate no obobo aba amane dodo no e kan say wo mramu de ontim hye maami ne mani nyina adakam nanso sane lawyer chachichi kataka ye ne say o man no ye de adwuma hyema me ne nsase won kɔ ye nti so ye adwuma ni ye so anya adwuma ni ye o megina adaka num no won kyerɛ eti nne Supreme Court be decide na maame no CJ ne dressing no de kɔ court ne de wogusu a wo shoto nti na so ye behwe ne o de bɛkɔ gye sɛ court ne ye wi maame ne dressing no de kɔ ne ye twitwa no hye ne saa
na fe ye analysis
on the emfa ho ne ekoso da bi okokoto wo no mo wo koso atim se na ni no kales no wa keka ne kama on da bi fita ho wo twen nka so nwura adaka nu mu a wo wura eti na ne yebehu so obewura adaka nu mu o se wo nwura o ni nyina yebetumi ahu ewo court ho no mo na the daily statement so de ayode aba wo se soafo ayi no so nkohwe apom de so ne ne dia no de atudwa no wo se agenda 88 na che se ayasabe ahodo no a wo mo se yebesi no district ahoro no onimonyafo kwaku adwuma manu si dia on course nka ba bi o madu no wa me yahu se bia yesi we yadu but is in the pipeline we are on course no sabrofo ni bi epie ho no mo ni ase quack doctor ase mwemti bi ache o first ni ade yenu sufa ya che quack doctor ache quack na se katwam aso abusia se no nya daily guide akohwe ba ma bi ne hwene menka na eminyai CJ o mam kwan ne hwene se usuti kobisto usuti ne hwene te se kobisto hwene so fe na ode ne ho abagim na me ka se ya na che se say ne hwene asa kobisto hwene
na se
pafo lovely Pabra we do de na ya so ye quack doctor and wo kwaji obabi awo wakum oba ne akwada ni nyina ya kire no wonya doctor wo bone aye ntimma se twem ya che no ya se ya efra no po amoanu ni din no enya common eso bone na wodie eti da ubon kratai daily guide wonya asabra hosem no ewom siye yenkwae ya sorry wo hun ma hu se abantia no
ba ku twato
say eko ya de ba ku twato no ene ma mfa dispatch mrei na dispatch say council of state members no aye pinso amanfo lobby say Ghana dey ya na lobby obehwe kura na che say we na ese delegates no ye tua fam ya see 16 council of state positions no nipa agbayi wotinya gro ene ye free ahafo asantinie 16 regions no obie ni abre se wo so ogina bie ni abubo bodin bi eti din ni so onum benya so wonya no da bon kratai wode aba obie ho asem ene wode atutudwa se wonhwe na wontumi enye eniema ebetumi aboa eti abusia wonya the daily dispatcher ene central region eastern region babia watumi ede eniema fa ho aba wobinfo maikoko esu sese wochro kwajo labianka ka ho wa hu western region labianka
okay me mama
the Eunice wa hu who say Eunice for there onko competition lusu mayu obenya eno labianka western region eti western region for the end no competition
sorted
anti ya hwe anti hine mayu wobeko eti din na beba na unim sankran ha so oreja ni kwata yi okọ kane no wasan unity eso eno so de aye tough nkran de no aye tough northern region de eno so tough sa anti CJ unya the bonkrata the dispatcher ubehu edin no osi ade ayu am yakumfikura wom tachima man hino CJ tachima man hine ewom ya wonso ayiniti se wo beko na che se ebunu east region no ebunu east dia na hefu
central region one echo
central region dia no ma mehwe central region dia nipa ya ewomwo eye mehwe odefo ankabwa ye otoso mienu wo kan wo yese ho nipa nson ena yi omuti breman asiem traditional area ohene ye wo ho no mo eka ho ena 31 year old teacher bi so ka ho ore Timothy Bonfo
31 years
One so come to Central Region, the so near a money affair, any Mrantia, ya wudam no. Mrantia wudam. La a few train moon and answer 4 years ago, dear no. Nanny pass will show mu a greater Accra region, dear no. And Eastern region so business executive, yes, Ora Paco Fianson. One so where unity or Bekobi, den. Greater Accra region, Nippon son, Greater Accra region and so show Munieti, iti mensa kahon. Iti kahon. Iti the yanhwe enye befa. Greater Accra region foni. Nene kono atiapa yo toso miensa. Waka ho. Iti mensa former sports minister also kahon. Former MP so emani ngo pram. Eno ru apakalote. Uni pakalote. Pakalote so eka ho. Woko asante so 8 candidates me mankasa die yayere loving. Nana bobi ansa yo toso mienu bonwire hene. Na bonwire hene ka ho. Ana nana owusu brempon akrofu so hene won so ka ho. Ana ne nanu ya wode na adwuma abawie ye so nso eka ho bi wanfa ndi ama. Apa East region so ene omuso do so sa nifa num ana wo ginanti CJ ade no sese enya gro voucher region so ehonomo Owura Francis Nyonyo si obegina bi omuso ye nwotwe ono ka ho ana ye maame Dr. Benny Sadiku Haliu okay no hohoye former MP ono so we say doctor so obeko ene ye wo togbi aja tekpo ye otoso enson won so say obeko bi eti wo sha sene ade na sitie no CJ ye fancy ya
mama no wase for headphone is also
DJ boy anyom DJ oh mona mo ni amano asasi DJ Janyom no mo Here we never go to Kono. DJ Janyom no more. DJ Janyom no more.
Again, I'm sure.